Use an extendable duster with microfiber heads and a controlled sweeping technique to reach high ledges and corners safely and effectively. For offices, start by assessing height, surface type, and any fragile fixtures so you choose the correct extension pole length and cleaning head. Use microfiber duster attachments for dry dusting because they trap particles rather than spreading them, and follow with a low-suction backpack vacuum fitted with a soft brush for corners and crevices to remove settled dust and allergens. Work from top to bottom in a methodical grid so you do not recontaminate cleaned areas, and move furniture or equipment only when necessary to avoid disrupting work. When using extension poles, keep your stance wide and elbows slightly bent to control movement and reduce wrist fatigue, and practice gentle sweeping motions to avoid dislodging light fixtures or ceiling tiles. For glass or smooth surfaces, pair the duster with a lint-free wipe dampened with a mild cleaning solution and buff dry immediately to prevent streaking. Establish a recurring schedule based on occupancy and HVAC load, and keep a log noting problem spots and frequency adjustments so your team can tighten routine maintenance where dust accumulates faster. Common mistakes include using cotton or feather dusters that just spread dust around rather than capture it. Switch to electrostatic or microfiber heads and finish with vacuuming to eliminate redistribution. Another issue is overreaching with a ladder or using unstable step stools. Instead, use an appropriately rated extension pole and train staff in safe body positioning and tool control. A third concern is skipping follow-up on disturbed dust that falls onto work surfaces. Always perform a lower-level wipe down after high dusting and run a HEPA-filtered or high-quality portable air cleaner if allergens are a major problem. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services related to office cleaning and high-access maintenance, and we connect contractors with job opportunities in their area. We also host a discussion community where we and our users share tips, schedules, tool recommendations, and first-hand experiences.